Hello everyone, I'm from Webex YouTube channel and welcome to the Python basic programming series. This is the fifth tutorial, I guess. In this tutorial we will be learning about functions in Python. First of all guys, let me tell you the uh, uses of functions. Functions actually are some piece of codes, some uh, blocks of codes which are used to perform some kind of functionality, whether you want to add two integers, whether you want to divide, whether you want to print something out, you need functions. So uh, let's just start writing code, so you can understand what I'm trying to say. Guys, first of all let me tell you how to define a function in Python. uh, Def, this is the definition of function. So def and then space and write a name, anything you want. Let's say we want to uh, print something, so info print info, okay, and parenthesis and then colon. So hit enter and it will take you to the next line, but somehow upfront. So let's say we want to print something, print single quote and write hello, this is function. Okay, so guys, now we are going to call this function. In order to call function, you need to write its name, print, which is we have print info and then parentheses. In this way we can call a function. So let's save it, hit Ctrl S and click on run and then run module. It will open a new window which is a Python shell. This is the line which our function has, and on calling this function gave us the whatever the function has got, it will give the results. So for your convenience, for your understanding, I'm going to modify this example somehow to make you understand, to tell you how we can make how we can make this function and how we can use these functions to reduce our work. Actually guys, whenever you are writing some kind of code, you need, let's say you are writing some program where you need to add two variables in many places. So you will just write a single function of adding two integers and you will just call this function wherever you want. So now I guess this makes sense. So let's just try modify this program somehow. Okay, we are going to print two numbers. So in order to print two numbers, we need to give this program, we need to give this function two parameters, 23 and 22. So in here we will just write x and y. So and in here we will add these two numbers, of course, x plus y. So we will return this, we will just print this out here, and result equal to here. Yes, hit enter and print this results. Yeah, just like this. Hit okay, let's run it. Oh my god. Okay, this function took two parameters. This passes these two parameters to this function, and this will add these two numbers and take the results in here. Okay, how we can do this? Okay. Hmm. So guys, I'm sorry for the delay. Actually, it's not a delay. uh, Actually, I forgot to remove these uh, columns from my print statement. So in order to print something in Python, you just need to write a print and print the variable. So whenever you are writing some kind of uh, string, so you need single quotes to print, like this is the sum, just like that. But whenever you want to print some variable, you just need to write print and then variable name. Yes, let's run it. So let me tell you how program is working. First of all, we gave two parameters to our function, and it gave us the result, which is 44. 23 plus 21 is 44, and then we printed out a string. This is sum, and then we called a function. Actually printed this function again, and it's giving us 44. So this is how you can use your functions. And guys, let me show you one thing more. We can call these functions for many times, anywhere, whenever we want, like 2 and 9. So we will see its results. First of all, it's giving us 44, which is 23 and 21, and then it gave us 11, which is actually we gave 2 and 9 in the parameters, so it gave us the 11. So this is the actually pretty much explanation of functions in Python. Guys, in this way we can use functions. We can actually make calculator using these functions, and we can perform pretty much so much functionalities using these functions. So this is the basic idea of functions. Thank you very much guys for watching. Cool.